All right, what's going down, my data entry people? We are going to go ahead and get started with these trainings. Not all of these will be particularly for you. You will be aware while you're watching these trainings which ones are for you and which ones aren't, because I'll let you know which specific steps you'll be doing within this process. But I'll just have you watch maybe just all the videos. That way you have a more complex understanding of what's going on. So let's just, without further ado, jump right into it. Step one in this whole process of list building. This should be very, very quick and very, very easy. It's very simple. We're just going to start off by doing a basic Google search for roofing plus the city, right? So, or the county that we're targeting. So the first search was Los Angeles roofing contractors, and you can use contractors, companies, but we'll probably want to just stick with contractors. Just stick with Los Angeles roofing contractors, or whatever city it is, roofing contractors, right? Then the next one, and what we're going to do here, what we're going to do here is we're going to pull the top 10 companies from this search, right? So we're going to skip over the Yelps. We're going to skip over the BBs, Better Business Bureaus, the Angies, and the bigger companies that are everywhere like GAF. And we're going to go straight for the local competitors, right? And when we're looking here, the first one we find is LA Top Roofing. And it should be very clear why this one is the first one we're going for, not any of these top ones up here, because this is an actual local roofing company that services this area. Perfect. We're going to skip over Home Advisor, skip over expertise.com, J&J Roofing. Does that make sense? I hope it does. If there is any confusion on how we find actual roofing companies in a Google search versus who's just a national player that's just crowding up the search, please message me so that way we can clear this up. But that should be very clear and easy to do. When you're doing these Google searches, you're going to search by city plus roofing contractor. Then you're going to pull up the organic search rankings. You're going to skip over anything that's a Yelp, anything that's a third party, anything that's not a roofing company, skip. Once you find actual roofing companies that are local to that area, you're going to pull them up and you're going to pull up the top 10 for each search, right? So let's just say we finished Los Angeles, we got all our 10, which we have, right? So this is our example one. Now we're going to move on to Pasadena, right? So now it's Pasadena roofing contractor, and we're going to do the exact same thing. Pasadena roofing contractor. I'm going to pull the top 10. Lansford roofing, boom. J.N. Davis roofing, perfect, right? So very quickly we're seeing, okay, that's the Better Business Bureau, that's not one. That's GAF, that's not one. These are ads, that's not one. Okay, next page, right? So it should be very, very easy for you guys to differentiate what's an ad, what's a national company, and what's an actual local roofing company that we should be going after, right? Okay, well, this one's Pasadena, Texas, but we're going after Pasadena, California. So let's skip over this one. Pasadena roofing. This one's Pasadena, Texas as well. So maybe we should, if we're keep on getting other Pasadenas, maybe we should add Pasadena, CA, right? Make it more specific. Okay, there we go, right? We're not seeing the same ones as last time, right? Okay, look at, now I found J&J roofing, right? Okay, I hope you guys are able to see very quickly how we pull up the top 10 for each different search that we need to pull up the top 10 for. That'll wrap it up for this training. On the next one, I'll show you how to go to the actual page and pull the information.